Welcome back to Beyond Infinity. In today's video, we are going to learn about display statements in Java. Display statements are very essential in Java for outputting data, debugging code, and providing feedback to the user. So, what are display statements? Display statements are lines of code used to print text, numbers, and other data to the console or output stream. They allow you to visualize the results of your Java program and understand its execution flow. The most commonly used display statements are system.out.println and system.out.print. Now let's see the difference between system.out.print and system.out.println. In system.out.println, once the data is printed, the cursor will move to the next line initial position, whereas in system.out.print, once the data is printed, the cursor will move to the same line next position. It is not mandatory to pass the data in system.out.println, whereas in system.out.print, it is mandatory to pass the data. Now let's understand the display statement by using a program. Now I have created a class name called Java statement and I have saved the file with the same name. Now let me put println display statements and print this display statements so that you can understand the whole program. You can use n number of display statements as per your requirement. And now I have given the first display statement as print and the second display statement as println and the remaining two display statements as print. Now let's run the program to understand the concept of display statement. Open the command prompt. Before that, save the file. And now you open the command prompt and type Java C space display statement dot Java. The program is successfully compiled. Now let's run it. Java display statement. Yeah. Now let us understand the display statement. See, the first display statement I have given is print. So what is the output is hello world, and the cursor has moved to the next position. Now the next display statement I have given here is println. Now the print statement has printed the hello world and the cursor has moved to the next line. The next two statements are print statements. Therefore, the cursor has moved to the next position, not to the next line. And this is how the display statements work in Java. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further Java videos. Thank you.